Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Toyota Supra with paper using an easy method. First, gather your materials. You will need paper, sharp scissors, and a reliable glue stick. Next, print out a simple Supra template, ensuring it is scaled to your desired size. Opt for paper with a weight of about 160 grams per square meter for the best results. Finally, prepare a clean, flat surface to work on, which will help immensely with precision. Now, let's move on to the cutting and folding. Carefully cut along the solid lines of your printed template using your sharp scissors. Precision here is key for a neat final model. Next, fold along all the dotted lines indicated on the template. For extra crisp folds, use a ruler to guide your creases, ensuring every edge is perfectly straight. This step truly defines the shape of your paper Supra. With your pieces cut and folded, it's time for assembly. Apply a thin, even layer of glue to the small tabs marked on your template. Carefully align and press the corresponding body panels together, holding them firmly for about 10 to 15 seconds. It's crucial to let each section dry completely before proceeding to the next. This ensures a strong, stable structure for your paper Toyota Supra model. Finally, let's add the finishing touches and personalize your Supra. Attach smaller components such as the wheels, rear spoiler, and side mirrors, following the template's instructions. Now, unleash your creativity. Use markers, colored pencils, or even paint to give your Supra its iconic color scheme. You can even add tiny interior details for a more realistic touch. Enjoy your custom paper Toyota Supra.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.